Just imagine you are standing outside when suddenly a small insect begins flying around you. Its body is bright yellow and black, its waist is narrow, and its wings move rapidly. At first glance, it may look like an ordinary honeybee, but it is actually a wasp, commonly known as a yellowjacket. This small insect can be easily recognized by its striking yellow and black markings, but getting too close to it can sometimes be dangerous. A yellowjacket is usually small, with a shiny body covered in yellow and black markings. Unlike a honeybee, its body is smoother and less hairy. But this is not simply an ordinary flying insect. Yellowjackets are social creatures that live together in colonies. Depending on the species, a colony can contain hundreds or even thousands of wasps. One of the most fascinating things about the yellowjacket is its home. These wasps build their nests using plant and wood fibers. They chew the fibers and mix them with saliva, creating a paper-like material. Some species build their nests underground, often inside abandoned animal burrows, while others make nests inside walls, hollow trees, or other protected spaces. But the most famous feature of this small yellow and black insect is its sting. A yellowjacket does not normally attack humans without a reason. Problems usually occur when it feels threatened, when someone comes too close to its nest, or when its food is disturbed. If a nest is shaken or the area around an underground nest is disturbed, many wasps may become defensive at the same time. There is also an important difference between a yellowjacket and a honeybee. A honeybee can leave its stinger behind after stinging, but a yellowjacket can sting more than once. In some situations, several wasps may attack at the same time, increasing the chance of multiple stings. A yellowjacket sting can cause immediate pain, redness, itching, and swelling. For most people, these symptoms gradually become less severe. However, some people can have a serious allergic reaction to wasp or bee venom. Difficulty breathing or severe swelling can be a medical emergency and requires immediate medical attention. But surprisingly, this insect that many people fear can also be useful to nature. Yellowjackets hunt many other insects, including some that can damage crops and gardens. Adult wasps often capture insects and bring them back to the nest, where they feed them to their developing young. In this way, yellowjackets can naturally help control populations of other insects. Adult yellowjackets are also strongly attracted to sweet foods. They may feed on fruit juices, flower nectar, sugary drinks, and other sweet foods. This is why you may sometimes see them around fruit, outdoor meals, garbage bins, or sugary drinks. During the warmer months, a yellowjacket colony can continue to grow. The process usually begins with a queen, which starts a new colony. The young develop into worker wasps, which take care of the nest, search for food, and protect the colony. The queen then focuses mainly on producing more eggs while the workers perform most of the other tasks. As the season progresses, the colony can become very large. Later in the year, new queens and males are produced. After mating, the new queens search for protected places where they can survive the colder season. The old colony eventually dies, while the new queens begin the cycle again in the following season. So what should you do if a yellowjacket comes close to you? The safest approach is to avoid disturbing it. Do not try to hit it with your hands or make sudden movements. Stay calm and slowly move away. If you notice wasps repeatedly entering and leaving a hole in the ground, there may be a nest nearby. It is best to keep your distance rather than disturbing it. And that is the fascinating story of this small yellow and black insect. At first, it may appear to be nothing more than a dangerous wasp with a painful sting. But when we look more closely, we discover an incredibly organized society, with a queen, workers, young, a carefully constructed nest, food gathering, and a remarkable system of colony protection. Nature did not simply give the yellowjacket its beautiful yellow and black appearance. It also gave this tiny creature an important role in the ecosystem. On one hand, its sting can cause pain and swelling, while on the other hand, it helps control populations of insects that can damage plants and crops. So the next time you see a bright yellow and black insect flying quickly through the air, do not think of it as just another dangerous bug. You may actually be looking at one of nature's most fascinating little creatures, carrying an entire world within its tiny body.